D-Day celebration. What is your message to Nigerians?
Our message to Nigerians is simple. Let's pray for the peace and stability of this nation and to acknowledge the sacrifices made by our past heroes for the enthronement of this democracy that we are all enjoying now. And let's pray for the peace, stability, and progress of this great nation. And I want to assure Nigerians of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's unwavering commitment towards restoring peace and stability in the nation. He is working day and night to ensure the safe recovery of all our children who are in the hands of the bandits and the terrorists. No matter how long the night is, it must give way to the light of the dawn. Stormy the weather might well be, but it will rain forever. The government remains irrevocably committed to restoring peace and stability of the nation.
Thank you.
I want to thank Nigeria and want to urge them to pray for the nation, to pray for each other, because what binds us together supersedes whatever that divides us. Thank you.